Hey, I wanted to do a quick tool review here. I bought myself basically a miniature set of bolt cutters, and you may want to consider getting a pair of these. Um, this one's a Capri Tools brand. This one came highly recommended. It was $30, and I'm just going to give you my opinion on this. What's your opinion on it? Oh my goodness! Get out of here. So, you've got smaller cutters, and I have found that, especially when you're dismantling a vehicle, you're either working under the hood or you're, out in the field trying to kind of gut something out or heavily modify something. A full-size pair of bolt cutters, it's not going to fit. It's just not going to reach areas you need it to go. And then something handheld is just, it's just too small, too wimpy. This stuff's not going to work. So I found that this kind of middle ground is really, really helpful. These I really like. These I got from Harbor Freight, and I use the crap out of these. Now, I have some other side cutters like this one. Of course, I can't find at the moment, but I bought this kind of intermediary piece here, and I have a piece of like really thick wire, and it's just something to consider when you're out, out in the field. Let's see if I can give you kind of a close-up shot of that. Something that's going to give you a little bit more leverage than something like this, but will be a lot more compact than something like this. So definitely consider getting something in kind of this in-between range of side cutters. Like I said, these were really cheap. These I've really liked because they just, they've got that extended handle where it's just enough extra leverage to get in there, and it's a real slim profile, real low profile. You can get into a lot of tight little spots. But anyway, I just picked this up. They have some cheaper versions of these. I'm not endorsing this as some incredible tool. It's just something that, like I say, it's kind of in between what you normally have, and I think there's versions of this style of a tool for, like the $15 range. Anyway, just something for you guys to consider.